Manipulation is one of the most subtle yet powerful tactics people use to influence the actions and perceptions of others. It's a behavior we see everywhere. Politicians spinning narratives, corporations shaping consumer habits, or even friends and family nudging you toward their way of thinking. At its core, manipulation is about control, getting someone to do something they wouldn't normally do, often to serve the manipulator's interests. And here's the thing. Anyone can be susceptible to manipulation, but those who are overly nice, insecure, or constantly worried about what others think may be more vulnerable. The good news? You can protect yourself. By focusing on what's within your control and recognizing manipulation for what it is, you can disarm and deflect these tactics. Here are 6 practical strategies to help you stand your ground and avoid falling victim to manipulation. 1. Pay attention to how you're feeling. Manipulation often triggers an instinctive reaction, like an internal alarm signaling that something is off. When you're interacting with someone, take notice of your emotions. If you feel uncomfortable, defensive, or like you're being made to question yourself, it's time to pause and reflect. Manipulators often use tactics like guilt-tripping, shaming, or gaslighting to distort your perspective and make you doubt your own judgment. When these feelings arise, don't ignore them. Instead, treat them as warning signs that deserve your attention. By stepping back to assess the situation, you can avoid falling into their trap. 2. Stay calm and composed. Manipulators thrive on drama and emotional reactions. If you lose your cool, they gain the upper hand. That's why one of the best defenses against manipulation is to keep your emotions in check. Even if you're boiling with frustration inside, maintain a neutral demeanor and speak calmly. This not only prevents them from using your reaction against you, but also keeps your mind clear and focused. When you stay composed, you're in a better position to assess the situation objectively, make informed decisions, and avoid being pulled into their web of control. 3. Question their motives. Manipulative people rarely reveal their true intentions outright. They might sugarcoat their words, use flattery, or disguise their requests in ways that seem harmless. To uncover their motives, ask direct, pointed questions like, "What do you mean by that? Why is this so important to you? What are you hoping to achieve?" These questions force manipulators to clarify their intentions. If their answers seem evasive, inconsistent, or defensive, that's a red flag. Trust your instincts and don't hesitate to dig deeper. 4. Reflect and validate. Sometimes, people manipulate unintentionally, out of poor communication skills or a lack of awareness. Before jumping to conclusions, take a moment to reflect on their behavior. Try paraphrasing what they've said to show you understand their perspective. For example, you could say, "So what I'm hearing is that you feel this approach fosters open communication and builds trust." If they're being manipulative, this tactic can also help diffuse tension without escalating the situation. And if their intentions aren't malicious, it gives them a chance to clarify or rethink their behavior. 5. Maintain control of your frame. Your frame is the lens through which you see and interpret the world. It's shaped by your experiences, beliefs, and values, and it's unique to you. Manipulators often try to shake your frame, to make you doubt yourself and adopt their perspective. To counter this, stay grounded in your own truth. Remind yourself of your core beliefs and values, and don't be afraid to take time to reflect if someone's words leave you feeling uncertain. For example, if someone pressures you to agree with their point of view, it's okay to say, "I need some time to think about this." This simple statement reinforces your boundaries and keeps you in control of your perspective. 6. Firmly assert your position. One of the most common manipulation tactics is to make you feel like your needs or boundaries don't matter. Manipulators might try to guilt-trip you, wear you down, or twist the situation to get what they want. The best way to counter this is through assertiveness. Clearly and confidently communicate your boundaries, even if you have to repeat yourself multiple times. For example, if someone is pressuring you, you can say, "I've already told you I'm not comfortable with this, and my decision hasn't changed." This sends a powerful message. You value yourself, and you won't tolerate being disrespected. It also makes it clear to the manipulator that their tactics aren't going to work. Take control of your reactions. Manipulation can happen to anyone, but how you respond is entirely up to you. By staying calm, asking the right questions, and asserting your boundaries, you can protect yourself and maintain control in any situation. And remember, not every act of influence is manipulative. Sometimes, people just lack the skills to communicate effectively. By approaching situations with empathy and self-awareness, you can navigate these interactions with confidence and clarity. If this video gave you insights into handling manipulation, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're in control of your own story.